I'm looking at possibly getting in around here. Ethereum is definitely one of the top ones. I've got two areas that I'm looking at. You've got an 88% where the market tends to retrace a lot. This is definitely a good place to buy long-term, long and hold. Those are the blue chip crypto, if you will. I can see Ethereum blowing by and getting to its all-time high. I'm just looking at Ethereum because one of my students asked me to have a look at it and to analyze it. And so I thought I would do a video to explain exactly what I'm seeing. I do like crypto. I have some money in crypto, and Ethereum is definitely one of the top ones, whether it's Ethereum or Solana or Bitcoin or XRP or XLM. Those are all for me. Those are the blue chip crypto, if you will. And right now, when you look at the price, for instance, when you look at Ethereum and its all-time high of $4,878, and where it's currently trading at $1,619, $1,619. Come on, it's at a discount, heavily discounted. And so if you're looking to get into the crypto space and you're looking at Ethereum already at a crypto, this is definitely a good time in my opinion. Once again, this is not financial or investment advice. Do your own research always. I'm going to do this via my technical analysis and give you my opinion, but that's all it is. Always take responsibility for your actions. So right now we can see where it came down to. Ethereum came down to this level right here, which is $1,372, around that area, which happens to be at 138. You can see it right there. I don't know if you can see that, it's faint. And so that's no surprise when it came to that price and went up. If it comes down and breaks this area, I would consider exiting out. This is definitely a good place to buy long-term, long and hold. If you were doing Ethereum perpetuals, well, it would have been a great place to get in at that fib extension 138. But if it does, like I said, if you buy and it does come down, be prepared, especially if you're thinking short-term. If you're thinking long-term, in my opinion, I think you are golden. But let's look at where it could possibly come down to. If I put this Fibonacci here, you've got an 88% where the market tends to retrace a lot, which is around $1,280. It could come down to that area. So if you're patient, set an alarm. You can see my alarm right there. It says buy Ethereum at 1280. I also have an alarm here to buy Ethereum in this area. If it comes down, I might consider jumping in again. And so I'll see how that goes. And there's a reason for it. The reason that I'm putting that there is that if I go to the 1 hour chart, that's the 1 week chart we're on. If I go to the 1 hour chart here and look at the market, I can see that if I was to put a Fibonacci on this to try and figure out where this could potentially retrace and just go to this low here to that high, right? I'm looking at possibly getting in around here, 1,455, possibly. I want to see how it reacts. But if I do, I would consider getting out if it goes past 1419. So that's the 88. If it breaks that 88, it could be coming all the way here to my next spot where I want to buy. So I might get in here a little early, but exit out of the trade if it starts to go against me and then jump in at this point here. So I've got two areas that I'm looking at with regards to Ethereum. But like I said, if this is a little too confusing for you and you just want to buy and hold, this is a great place. Even if it comes down here, we are talking long term. I'm thinking by the end of this year, 2025, I could see Ethereum getting back to its all-time high. Certainly within the next 12 to 18 months, I can see Ethereum blowing by and getting to its all-time high. And that's it, guys. I hope this helps. If you are interested in learning how to do this, reach out to me and I'll be happy to explain our mentorship program. And if you want other videos like this, subscribe, like this video, please, if you want to get more content like this. And you guys have an awesome weekend. Take care. Bye for now.